Hello, English Vibes friends! Welcome back to our English for Beginners A1 playlist, where we make English super easy and fun. I'm Tom, your happy teacher.
Hi, Tom. Hi, friends. I'm Anna. I learn English too.
Great to see you, Anna. This is episode 6, and today we learn about food and drinks, things like apples and water.
Yes, it's simple and yummy for beginners.
Right, Anna. Friends, we say, I like pizza and I don't like carrots. It's like a fun game.
I like games, Tom. Food is super fun.
We'll practice slow, then fast, and play a game called Food Guess. You can repeat with us at home.
Ready? Subscribe, share, and tell us in the comments, what food do you like? Maybe ice cream or apples? We'll read the best ones next time.
This is from our English for Beginners A1 playlist, where we learn easy words to talk in English. Want more lessons? Tell us in the comments. Let's eat and drink. Okay, Anna, let's start with food words. These are things we eat. Listen, friends. Apple, banana, pizza. Anna, say apple.
Apple?
Close, Anna. It's apple with a nice ah sound. Let's try together. Friends, repeat with us. Slow. Apple, banana, pizza.
Apple, banana, pizza. Apple, banana, pizza.
I did it, Tom. Yes, you did. Now let's add drinks. Water, milk, juice. Anna, say water.
Water?
Perfect. Let's practice. Slow. Water, milk, juice.
Water, milk, juice. Water, milk, juice.
Great job, friends. Now let's use food words, like I like apples. Anna, try it.
I like pizza.
Nice. Friends, repeat. I like. I like. I like. Say a food. I like. I like. I like. I like.
Tom, I say I like banana.
Yes, Anna, good one. We say, I like banana. No mistake. We all learn. Let's try, I don't like. Like, I don't like carrots. Anna, say it.
I don't like milk.
Friends, repeat. I don't like. I don't like. I don't like. Say a food you don't like. I don't like. I don't like. I don't like. Time for a game. It's called Food Guess. I describe a food, Anna guesses, and you guess at home. Ready? It's red, you eat it. Anna, what is it?
An apple. My turn. It's yellow. You drink it. No, eat it. Tom, what is it?
A banana. Friends, your turn. It's hot, you eat it. Say the food. Great. One more. I like apples. My name is Anna. I like pizza. Friends, say your name and a food you like. Solo practice. Say, I like your food. Now, Anna, let's use food words to talk about likes. Imagine we're at dinner. I say, I like pizza. Anna, reply.
I like bananas.
Good. Friends, repeat. I like. I like. Say a food. Now a question. Do you like apples? Anna, ask me.
Do you like apples?
Perfect. Do you like apples? Let's practice. Slow. Do you like apples? Do you like apples? Medium. Do you like apples? Do you like apples? Fast. Do you like apples? Do you like apples? Okay, Tom. Do you like apples?
Yes, I like apples. Friends, ask, do you like apples? Now answer with your food.
Let's try a little story. Anna's lunch. Anna, say a like.
I like juice.
Awesome. Now ask a question.
Do you like juice, Tom?
Yes, I like juice. Friends, make your own story. Say, I like your food. Like, I like milk. Now ask, do you like your food? Let's add not. Like, I don't like carrots. Anna, try it.
I don't like water.
Yes. Friends, repeat. I don't like. I don't like. I don't like. Say a food you don't like. I don't like. I don't like. I don't like. I don't like. One more story. At a party. Anna, say a like and ask me.
I like pizza. Do you like pizza, Tom?
Yes, but I don't like carrots. Friends, try a party story. Say, I like your food, and ask, do you like your food? Okay, Anna, let's talk like friends. We're at a kitchen. I start. Hi, my name is Tom. I like apples. Do you like apples?
Hello, Tom. My name is Anna. Yes, I like apples. I don't like carrots. Do you like carrots?
No, I don't like carrots. Nice to meet you. Friends, repeat Anna's line. My name is Anna. I like apples. Now say your own. Round 2. Anna, you start.
Good morning. My name is Anna. I like bananas. Do you like bananas?
Good morning, Anna. Yes, I like bananas. Do you like pizza?
Yes, I like pizza.
Friends, join in. Say your name and a like. Ask, do you like your food? Now our game, food chain. I say my name and like. Anna adds and you keep it going. Ready? My name is Tom. I like apples.
My name is Anna. I like pizza. Your turn, friends.
One more. My name is Tom. I like apples. My name is Anna. I like pizza. Quick round. Say, I like apples. Ask, do you like apples? Answer, yes, I like your food.
No, I don't like carrots.
Final repeat, our big phrase, 3 times. Slow. I like pizza. I like pizza. Medium. I like pizza. I like pizza. Fast. I like pizza. I like pizza. Okay, Anna, you're a food star. Friends, practice every day, and you'll talk about food like a pro. Thanks, Anna. You're the best.
Thank you, Tom.
Subscribe, share, and comment your favorite food. Like, I like star pizza. We'll read the best next time. Bye from Tom and Anna.